Hello Derby residents, I'm Dan Squires and I oversee the Planning and Engineering Department for the City of Derby. I would like to talk about an important upcoming decision that affects our community. On November 7th, you will have the opportunity to vote on the Derby difference sales tax. Our streets and sidewalks are vital pieces of our city's infrastructure. They allow us to travel to work, school, and everywhere in between. We want to maintain and improve our streets and sidewalks to ensure safety and accessibility. The city conducted a pavement condition study in 2020 that showed the city needs to spend more on maintenance in order to prevent the streets from falling into disrepair. The Derby difference sales tax aims to provide this needed funding. If approved, 45% of the sales tax revenue will be allocated to street and sidewalk maintenance and improvements. This means more resources for essential repairs to keep our streets in good condition well into the future. Learn more about the upcoming election at derbydifference.com or by calling City Hall at 788-1519. Your voice and vote can help make Derby's streets and sidewalks safer and more efficient for everyone.